So is your website a brand or a commodity? A commodity website essentially means like any other website. Today every organization has got a website, but does your website stand out from them? Does your website differentiates from your competitor? If it doesn't, then attracting a new customer is going to be a big challenge. Organization who takes website seriously have a consistent flow of business inquiries. In order to have a consistent flow of business inquiry, there are a couple of areas which requires a very immediate attention. One is your website downloading properly on a mobile devices? Is your website messaging right? Is your website updated? And on the top of it, is your website searched on a Google? If your website is not searched on Google, then attracting or having new flow of an inquiry is always going to be challenge. Hey guys, my name is Ashish Dalia. I run a digital branding and marketing agency with the name of iKnowledge Factory Private Limited. With iKnowledge Factory Private Limited, we had worked with over 800 plus corporates. We helped them put up a very stronger digital footprint on internet. During this point of time of pandemic, where physical moments are challenge, where physical interaction is a challenge, where physical meeting with client is a constraint, your website plays very critical role. Today everything is happening up digitally, and website is the foundation and a fundamental of your digital presence. If you want us to audit your website, as a part of our commitment to you, we are committed to do an audit of your website without any charges. Yes, you heard it right, without any charges. Plus with this audit, we will provide you with 20 minutes of one-to-one free consultation. This consultation will revolve around with the positioning of your website, searchability of your website on Google, design structure of your website, right content on the website, and even a technological elements to it. Once we provide you with this particular report, you have an option of fixing it with your existing vendor, or if you want us to help you with that, we can help you with that as well. Once your website is being adhered to this professional approach, what you should expect is more visitor coming to your website, your website getting searched on Google searches, your website having new visitor and they spending more time, and with a stronger call to action button being put up on a website, every visitor is a capable potential customer. And when a customer comes to website and he gets the information what he wants, what he does, he floats an inquiry to you. And you know that if your website generates consistent inquiries for you, you can do wonders. Don't hesitate. In a comment box below down, please mention your website address. Our team will review your website, will fix up an appointment, and we are all set to give you a consultation free of charge. Looking forward to seeing you grow your business through website.